What is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, refers to the work you can do to make your website easier for people to find online. When someone types in a certain term or phrase into a search engine, we call them keywords or key phrases, they get back a long list of results, thousands in fact. So what happens when a website shows up on page 30? Well, when's the last time you clicked on page 30? Or even page 10? What about page 3? Most people are like you. They hardly ever click past page 1. Most of the time, if they don't find what they're looking for, they'd just start from scratch with a new search rather than clicking through endless result pages. That's why it's so important to make sure you appear toward the top of the list. Now, on the search results page, people can click on two types of links: paid ads and what we call organic results. Paid ads are just what they sound like: results that a company has paid Google to appear when a particular keyword or phrase has been searched. Organic results, on the other hand, show up naturally, based on their relevance to the keyword or phrase that was searched. If you're curious which of these most people click on, it's not even close. Organic wins 94% of the time. Not only that, 7 out of 10 people will click on one of the first 3 results. This means you should really care about your ranking on organic search results. That's a ton of extremely targeted, relevant traffic you could be getting to your site based on the keywords you choose. All potential customers, readers, subscribers, you name it, coming to you. This is why SEO matters. Google, and all other major search engines for that matter, has created an extremely sophisticated formula to determine where on the search results page your site appears, and you want to do everything you can to boost that ranking. There's a number of ways you can do this. I'll quickly go over 5 SEO techniques you can use to improve your search ranking. Let's talk about keywords first. SEO used to be pretty straightforward. You'd simply pick a keyword you wanted your site to rank high for, chuck it into all the content of your site, and watch your position on search results skyrocket. The more the keyword appeared on your site, the higher your page ranked. Nowadays, using keywords appropriately is less about frequency and much more about relevancy. While you still want to include keywords throughout your site, it's more important to utilize them within relevant content. High-quality articles, posts, and pages that are useful and legitimate add value for your visitors and speak volumes about your website. So don't worry so much about gaming some formula based on keywords. Focus on making your content match the needs of your customers instead. A second critically important step for boosting SEO is to gather inbound links and backlinks. Backlink is a fancy word for links to your site that originate from another source. These links from other websites to yours can come from anything from news articles to social media posts. But keep in mind, the quality of your link source matters. The more influential or legitimate the website is that links back to yours, the more positive effect that backlink will have on your overall search result ranking. Third is your site security. When someone makes a purchase on your website, they shouldn't have to worry about their identity being stolen or credit cards being compromised. People don't like using websites that aren't safe to use, and neither does Google. To optimize your position on search results, consider installing an SSL certificate. It works to encrypt any data communicated between your website and visitors, so things like usernames, passwords, and credit card information are protected. Now, let's talk about social media for a second, because your social influence matters too. 1 out of every 4 people in the entire world are using social media. That's over 2 billion people. Just like with backlinks, sites that are more popular and relevant on social media are given more credibility and therefore higher rankings. So whether your brand's tweets are being retweeted by the president or your posts are shared by a lot of average Joes, search engines will take notice and boost your site's ranking. Finally, and very importantly, is to ensure your website displays well on mobile devices. Heard of Mobilegeddon? It's the term web developers coined for the day when mobile friendliness became a critical factor in Google's search engine algorithm. And there's a good reason for that change. There are over 1.9 billion smartphone users worldwide, and retail sales made on mobile devices is expected to reach $370 billion by 2017. And get this, 29% of all search queries are made on, you got it, mobile devices. Long story short, as of April 21st, 2015, Google expects your site to be as easy to use on a phone as it is on a computer. The easiest way to do this is to make your site responsive, meaning it adjusts to fit any size screen automatically. This is a big deal. You could build an amazing website and still have it rank lower on search results compared to your competition if you're not making it easy for smartphone users to navigate. Good SEO doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. But the sooner you start, the sooner you'll start climbing up the results ladder. And as long as you have your domain name, you can start your SEO efforts even before your website is finished. So start today. We integrate several best-in-class SEO solutions right into your Bluehost account to make it easy. Give us a call and we'll help you learn how to easily use SEO to drive tons of great visitors to your website. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to learn more about how to harness the web's best technology and tools.